You wake up every morning with that sharp, gnawing pain, the feeling that the world is running a race you're meant to win. But they gave you the wrong path. You see doors everywhere, but every door is locked, and the keys are held by people who don't want you in. It's frustrating. It's maddening. You watch others play the game by the rules, accepted rules that kill everything real, everything fresh, everything maddeningly original inside you. You feel the fire, the part of you screaming to break free, to smash the cage of comfort, to tear apart the illusions you were fed since day one. You hate how the system whispers fit in while strangling the very thing that makes you explode, your wild ideas, your rage against mediocrity, your restless hunger for transformation. But let's be brutally clear, no one's coming to save you. Not your investors, not your network, not the so-called experts preaching polished success. You're alone in that battle, but alone doesn't mean powerless. It means dangerous. It means you hold the rarest kind of power, the power to reject the lies, to see the system for the fragile puppet show it is, and to do what the masses won't dare, rewrite the rules. Not tomorrow, not later, right now. Stop begging for permission or praying for validation. Tear up the damn checklist society hands you. Obsessively obsess over reality, not as you've been told it is, but as it truly is underneath the smokescreen. Find what breaks the narrative, what cracks the foundation everyone pretends is solid. Then attack it with everything you've got. Every single day. Here's what no one says, but you must hear. The rarest innovators, the future shapers, don't do this by working harder. They do it by working smarter and by connecting deeper. Not random friends or followers on LinkedIn, but the few, yes, the very few who are also twisted by that same fire, equally misunderstood, equally furious, equally determined to rip the veil off and change the game. Find them, hunt them down, build a fortress of such brutally honest collaboration that your combined impact isn't just amplified, it's exponential. But beware the trap of comfort and sameness. Diversity is the lifeblood of innovation. If you surround yourself with echoes, you become an echo. Break your own echo chamber. Seek the weird, the outliers, the uncomfortable truths, the allies who challenge every thought, every plan. The world owes you nothing, but together you owe yourselves everything. The liberation from tyranny disguised as order, and the creation of a new order you can own and steer. You've been shackled by inherited assumptions about your limits, your roles, your future. They're lies. Beyond biology, beyond geography, beyond outdated borders and tired narratives lies a space where your freedom burns fierce and unchained. Choose your own values. Forge your own path with brutal clarity. Let go of the past, the safety nets, the excuses. You don't need the world's permission to become unstoppable. Now here's the pivot. The moment where frustration turns into angry action. Commit to being a relentless learner, not a victim. Iterate faster than anyone dares. Fail harder and fail faster, because every failure is your blueprint to reshape what possible even means. Scrutinize every assumption. Question every expert trade certainty for curiosity, the rarest currency in a world drowning in noise. Finally, understand this. Reality is not fixed. It's not set in stone. It's plastic, malleable, live. You don't just live within it. You have the damn power to reshape it. The rarest people don't wait for permission or permission slips. They build the tools, networks, and ideas to crush today's illusions and birth tomorrow's realities. They are the architects of the future. If that tension inside you won't quit, if that fire never dies, then stop watching and start doing. Find those few who burn like you. Combine your fury and your vision, and become the force that no one saw coming, but everyone will remember forever. The rarest innovators don't just dream. They shatter the world as it is to create the world as it must be. Get ready. Your revolution starts now.